Unlock your team's creative power and ditch the complex coding with Lovable, your all-in-one platform for building amazing applications. First, let's get you set up. Navigate to the Lovable website and click on the Sign Up or Login button. It's a breeze to create your account or access your existing one. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your personal dashboard. From here, you can start your journey by clicking the Create New Project button. Give your new project a descriptive name and a brief explanation. This helps keep your work organized, especially when you start building multiple applications. Welcome to the Lovable canvas, where imagination meets reality. Without a single line of code on the left, you'll find a palette of intuitive building blocks. Simply drag and drop elements like text fields, buttons, and even image placeholders directly onto your canvas. Each element you add is fully customizable. Click on an element to open its properties panel. Here, you can change its appearance, link it to different actions, or connect it to your data sources. For instance, let's update this button's text to submit. Building interactive experiences is incredibly straightforward. Want your users to move between different parts of your application? Simply connect your elements to new screens, creating a seamless user journey. But Lovable truly shines when you collaborate. Invite your team members to your project. You can see each other's progress in real time, leave comments, and work together seamlessly to bring your vision to life faster than ever before. And just like that, you've built a simple, functional application. Explore the possibilities and see how Lovable empowers you and your team to create, innovate, and deploy without code.